What's Mickey without Minnie, or Piglet without Pooh? What's Donald without Daisy? That's me without you. When Ariel doesn't sing, and Pooh hates honey. When Tigger stops bouncing, and Goofy isn't funny. When Peter Pan can't fly, and Simba never roars. When Alice no longer fits through teeny tiny doors. When Dumbo's ears are small, and happily ever after isn't true. Even then, I won't stop loving you.
Well, a very, very good afternoon, everyone. And on behalf of Ben and Fiona and of course Winnie, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all today to the fantastic surroundings here at Colshaw Hall.
Ben, today I also promise
To spend the rest of my life with you.
to spend the rest of my life with you.
I will be faithful and honest.
I will be faithful and honest.
I will always be there when you need me most.
I will always be there when you need me most,
And will respect and support you
and will respect and support you
as we go through life together.
as we go through life together.
It does therefore give me the very, very greatest of pleasure to say that you are now husband and wife. Ben, you know what to do.
And so finally, onto my wife, Fiona. The best description I've heard of Fiona was from a mum who said she came out screaming and she's never stopped. A lot of people also describe us as opposites, but we always think of ourselves as a team, and we've always managed to work through anything that we face together and will continue to do so. Whilst it's no secret that I generally plan this whole day, I wouldn't have done it for anyone else, and this day is about you. So for the final time, I'd like to propose a toast to Fiona and to future health and happiness. To Fiona.